Hello everyone, my name is Irshad Mangeti. I used to teach physics at the university level. A lot of students ask me to advise them on how to make learning interesting. I am of the opinion that most students hate learning not because they are bad or they are not talented. The most important reason for students to hate learning is because our education system itself is not learner friendly. We need to understand the purpose of learning and education. I would like to walk you through some of the interesting quotes from Albert Einstein in this regard. He once said, "Everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid." What Einstein was trying to convey is exactly what our systems lack today. Everyone will have their own tastes and talents. Education is supposed to foster these interests and make one to flourish in their respective areas of interest. While this is the thing, our education system is apparently asks fishes to climb tree, just as Einstein said. This is why Einstein himself became a staunch critic of the education system itself. He differentiated his learning from education. He said, "The only thing that interferes with my learning is my education." He also said, education is what remains after one has forgotten what one has learned in school. While our education system asks us to memorize information, Einstein asked us to train mind to think. Okay, education is not the learning of facts, but training of mind to think. We all know that existing information can be gathered from internet. So no need to store all information in our brain, but use brain to think. We must use brain to think, not to store all the information. For storing information, we have several devices, right? So we ought to use brain to think and thus create new knowledge. One of the most inspiring words from Einstein was, "Imagination is more important than knowledge." It's very famous. Einstein also stressed the importance of trying new things. No matter what you fail or you succeed, you always have to try new things. He said, "Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new." So what we all must have is curiosity. That is never-ending thirst for knowing how everything works. That leads us to great discoveries. There are a bunch of quotes from Einstein in this regard, like this: "I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious." The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. "He who can no longer pause to wonder and stand wrapped in awe is as good as dead. His eyes are closed." So keep your fire inside, always burning in. Try new things. That is what I want to advise you. Thank you for watching. If you think this is worth listening, please share it with your friends and consider subscribing this channel so that you will get notified when I share more ideas like this. Thank you.